Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol DCTH. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think that's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Did this analysis yesterday, so that's where these green lines are coming from. And, you know, this green lines definitely pertain to today because this is what's mapping out the channel that we've been tracking where the price is, you know, for a while was definitely stuck inside of the channel, but then, you know, got the break above it here. But now we kind of cross back into the question that we've been wondering about. And that question was all about this movement here, which no doubt about it, from when the price was way down here to, you know, the price movement all the way up to this range of the chart. That was a super, super solid move. But that brought up the question, but was there any sort of strength behind that move? And we had the answer to that. And no, that was a dead cat bounce. There was no true strength behind it. What gives me the right to say that? Well, I'm assuming state the obvious, but price movements that are the start of something bigger, well, the price keeps on getting bigger, right? The price doesn't go back to where it was, and I'm assuming I state the obvious, like I said, when I say that. So where's the price right now? Where did it close today? Well, you know, closed right down here. You look back at the chart, and what is that putting us? That's putting us right back in the middle of the channel where the price has already been. Again, truly strong moves don't go back to where they were. They progress forward. Now, am I sitting here saying that the bulls can never, ever make a solid move again? I'm not saying that. I'm just saying that as far as the movement that happened here is concerned, this was just a dead cat bounce, or another way to put it, back to the drawing board for the bulls. Because, yes, the bulls can absolutely make another good move, but as far as the previous move is concerned, there just wasn't any sort of true power behind it. Now, as far as, you know, I made this statement back to the drawing board, but how am I exactly quantifying, you know, getting something new started? Well, getting something new started all revolves around breaking above levels of resistance, and the current levels of resistance right now are the level that it just broke down below right here at 0.1537, and then near term, although both these are getting close to one another, is that purple line right there, the 50-period simple moving average. So on any sort of bounce back to the upside, I do need to make that change. When levels of support are broken, they tend to act as resistance. So 0.1537 back to acting as resistance. But really, top priority right now is not breaking levels of resistance, in my opinion at least. Top priority is stabilizing the price and trying to work on, you know, just getting some sideways price action. And then the bulls can worry about making another move to the upside. But stabilization is primary focus early next week. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.